How's everyone doing out there? I would like to do a fast review today on a Ryobi PEX crimping tool. All right, and this is going to be model P660. All right, this is very light. As you guys know, Ryobi batteries, you could use them on any tool, whether it's new or old, the battery. Okay, as long as they're working, you could use it on the new tools. Okay, here we have a small piece of PEX 3/4. All right, we're going to sacrifice a new fitting. All right, and we're going to be using the ring that you're supposed to be using this tool with. Okay, all right. So you see the opening, and this is where it goes. Right here, you press the button, and voila, that's all you do. And that's it. All right, it comes with a light, Bridgestone light. And that's all to it. All right, now they do have manual tools that you could crimp this with. Okay, but if you're doing a lot of crimping, you should go with one of these. If you're only doing one or two, the manual one is okay also. But that's it. This is very simple, nice little tool, and easy to use. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.